What gets me most excited about the future is our ability to serve our students in ways that transform their lives, in ways that prepare them for careers, but also prepare them for livelihoods. That this is a place that can do all that better than most. Most of our donors are alums, so they have some kind of direct connection to this campus, and the experience they had was such that they want to give it back to future generations. And that makes me proud to be associated with this institution, because I know that we do great things and that people value what we do. It's increasingly critical to our success. It's been important to our past, and it's going to be more important for our future. I was fortunate enough to come at a time in which we were really ramping up our fundraising efforts. And as I look across campus today and I see the impact that has made, it's been transformational. One of our first major projects was the construction of the Bork Business Building. That was the first building in the state of Colorado for a public institution that was fully funded from private donations. And that transformed that program. So you look at that, you look at the Rady School of Computer Science and Engineering, another completely funded project from philanthropy. So you have the physical infrastructure that we've been able to build on this campus to support our programming. But then you have the other support that our donors and our alums have been so generous in giving as it relates to scholarships for our students, as it relates to endowed chairs for our programs to really elevate what goes on in the classroom. And so being able to allow our faculty to offer experiential learning opportunities, to be able to offer research opportunities for our students that most other undergraduates at other institutions don't get to experience. And so those are the things that I think put Western at a distinct advantage when we are successful with our fundraising efforts. It's remarkable, and I'm really looking forward to what this campaign can bring and how we can elevate Western.